Have you ever wondered why wind turbines are demolished? Wind turbines have been around for decades, and they are an important source of renewable energy. But they are not permanent structures, and they do have a limited lifespan. In this video, we will discuss the reasons why wind turbines are demolished. Wind turbines are designed to have a lifespan of 20 to 25 years. After this time, the turbine may need to be refurbished or decommissioned. This is because the turbines require frequent maintenance and repairs as they age, which can become cost prohibitive. Thus, it becomes more economical to replace them with newer turbines. As technology advances, newer and more efficient turbines become available. The older turbines may become obsolete, making replacement a more attractive option. Newer turbines may have better performance and efficiency, which translates to better energy production and cost savings. Wind turbines require regular inspections to ensure they are structurally sound and safe to operate. If a turbine is deemed unsafe, it may need to be removed. In case of any damage, the repair costs may exceed the cost of a new turbine, making replacement a more viable option. In some cases, land that was previously used for wind turbines may be repurposed for other uses, such as agriculture or development. In these cases, the turbines may need to be removed. Also, some people may object to the visual impact of wind turbines on the landscape, or the impact they may have on local wildlife. In these cases, the turbines may be removed or relocated. Wind turbines are often installed on leased land. Once the lease agreement expires, the turbines may need to be removed unless a new lease agreement is negotiated. In conclusion, wind turbines are not permanent structures and have a limited lifespan. The decision to demolish a wind turbine is often based on economic, technological, environmental, and safety factors. We hope that this video has given you a better understanding of why wind turbines are demolished.